Hi guys, so beautiful. You can buy it here at Cameron Highland. See the strawberries? Not yet ready for harvest. Cactus. Small and big cactus, guys. Here. Friends in Malaysia, you can buy it here at Cameron Highland. Cameron Highland, Pahang, Malaysia. See guys, so many. See? Cute, cute. And not expensive, guys. Only 9 ringgit. 9 ringgit for one. You see this? Wow. So beautiful. See? Wow, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful cactus, guys. Many flowers. So cute. See, there's a big one. Big one. See? Colorful. Orange, red, and yellow. And pink. Here also. Yes, many people here. Here also, big one. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. You can buy it here at Cameron Highland, Malaysia. Thank you. God bless.